Welcome to the unboxing of the Neoline X PRO radar detector. An advanced and intuitive radar detector with regular database updates for maximum awareness on the road. Inside the box, radar detector, the main unit for real-time radar detection and alerts. Magnetic windscreen mount, quick and easy installation on the windscreen using magnets. Power cable with button connects to a 12-volt socket with convenient built-in control. Magnetic accessories, components for stable mounting and flexible placement. Spare double-sided tape for securely attaching the mount outside the windscreen area. Magnetic holder for the detector, an alternative mounting option. Protective films, user manual, a brief guide for fast setup and operation. The Neoline X PRO offers a complete set for easy installation and reliable performance. Just plug it in and drive with confidence.